When you're looking for a brand new built-in cooking appliance, make sure you have all the right info to make your choice. Measuring up is really simple. All you need to do is follow our step-by-step guide. If you're measuring for a new chimney hood, you will need to make sure that your hob has the same width dimensions to get the best performance. It's also worth noting that the larger your kitchen, the larger the hood will need to be to effectively clear the air of cooking smells and grease. Next up, check the area between the hob and the hood. This area is called the hot zone. For safety, there needs to be at least 75 centimeters between the hob and the hood, and it must be clear of any flammable materials, such as wallpaper and plug sockets. To find out the perfect extraction for your kitchen, you'll need to know what the volume of your kitchen is. This is really easy to work out. Measure the height, width, and depth of your kitchen, and multiply these three numbers to get the total volume. Once you have this number, multiply it by 10 to get the extraction rate needed. Compare the final figure on our product page's key information tab online to match it with your perfect hood. If you're upgrading to a new appliance, a handy way to get your measurements right is to check the dimensions of the existing appliance. Take a note so that you can refer back to them when you're browsing our website. If you're building a kitchen from scratch, you can find all the dimensions for our built-in appliances on our product pages. Once you've got your measurements and are ready to buy your new appliance, you can choose the perfect cooker hood to suit your kitchen, so you can relax and enjoy your new appliance.